Have you ever asked yourself, how do you get rid of hiccups? Well, there is no foolproof trick to vanquishing hiccups, and most of the time they will go away on their own. However, if you can't stand them for a second longer, you can try some of the following remedies, even at home. The first thing that you can do is take deep, slow breaths. The second thing that you can do is drink water. And thirdly, you can hold your breath for 5 to 10 seconds and see if that helps. And fourthly, what you can do is you can blow up a balloon or inside a brown bag. The goal of each of this hiccup busting method is to disrupt the contraction pattern of your diaphragm, aka the muscle below your lungs that are the cause of involuntary spasm that cause hiccups.